I know that I messed up. I know that I'm wrong, Jill. Ways that you cannot forgive. I'm so sorry. I broke your heart. I shouldn't have hurt someone.